Is there a store where I can get a card for Kelsey nearby?
Serendipity Cards is a good choice.
Let's go.
AI-enhanced systems.
What if you never had to check your phone again? Imagine a world where texts, directions, and real-time information appear right before your eyes. No screens, no distractions, just seamless interaction with the world around you. Google's new AI-powered XR glasses are turning this vision into reality. These cutting-edge smart glasses could redefine how we live, work, and connect. But are we truly ready for this next leap in augmented reality? Let's dive into the future of AI wearables and what it means for all of us.
Talk about headsets and glasses. We think about headsets as episodic products that you put on for a specific reason.
When you're watching the game, Gemini could break down everything about Freddy's Grand Slam.
This is the most visceral incarnation of any 3D space or spatial environment you could think of.
I can't wait to spatialize old videos. It'll feel like you're right in your memories again.
And then we think about glasses as all-day products that you use to get value throughout your day.
Our technology really enables us to shrink down the displays that go into the glasses.
We'll see more of these highly portable devices that will more and more look like the ones I'm wearing right now.
With glasses, you'll feel like you're a local, no matter where you are.
There's no way we could build this platform other than collaborating very closely. We've been working with Samsung for a number of years, and so we look for opportunities where we could really marry each other's strengths in creating something new.
So, Google recently introduced Android XR in collaboration with Qualcomm and Samsung, marking a significant leap in AI-integrated wearable technology. This new platform is designed to extend reality, enabling users to explore, connect, and create in ways never seen before. With a combination of cutting-edge hardware and powerful AI software, these smart glasses could redefine how we navigate the digital world. Gone are the days of relying solely on screens. Instead, information will now be seamlessly integrated into our field of view. Why is this the perfect time for Google to introduce XR? For decades, computing has revolved around rectangular screens, whether on monitors, laptops, tablets, or smartphones. But XR technology is breaking those limitations, bringing digital experiences into the real world. The timing couldn't be better, as advancements in AI, augmented reality, and wearable technology converge to create an entirely new way to interact with information. Google's journey into XR is not new. From the early days of Google Glass to innovations like AR Core, the Geospatial API, Google Lens, Live View, and Translate, the company has been continuously pushing the boundaries of augmented reality. Now, with the introduction of AI-powered XR glasses, they are taking things to the next level. These glasses aim to be more than just an accessory. They are designed to become an essential part of everyday life, offering real-time assistance, navigation, and even advanced collaboration tools for work and social interactions. One of the standout features of these AI glasses is their real-time contextual awareness. Imagine walking through an unfamiliar city and needing directions. Instead of pulling out your phone and fumbling with a map, your glasses can overlay real-time navigation prompts directly onto your view. Whether you need to find a coffee shop, locate a nearby pharmacy, or identify a landmark, the glasses will seamlessly provide the information without disrupting your experience. Traveling to a foreign country, language barriers could become a thing of the past. The glasses can provide live translation, allowing you to read signs, menus, and even subtitles in conversations. This could change the way we experience travel, making it easier to navigate unfamiliar environments and interact with locals without relying on clunky translation apps. The potential applications go beyond travel. These AI-powered glasses could assist in various everyday tasks, from cooking to DIY repairs. Imagine cooking a new recipe and asking your glasses to show you step-by-step visual instructions right in front of your eyes, or working on a home improvement project and receiving real-time guidance without ever needing to pause and search for a tutorial. In the workplace, these smart glasses could become a game changer. Remote collaboration will reach new heights, as users will be able to share their real-time view with colleagues across the globe. Mechanics, engineers, and medical professionals could use them for hands-free guidance, making complex tasks more efficient and error-free. Whether you're in a virtual meeting or working on a project, these glasses will keep you connected and informed in ways never before possible. Google's partnership with Samsung and Qualcomm is another crucial aspect of this development. With Samsung's expertise in hardware design, Qualcomm's powerful processors, and Google's advancements in AI and software, this collaboration is set to deliver a truly next-generation XR experience. The first major product under this initiative, Project Muhan, is expected to hit the market next year. It will introduce users to a new way of experiencing their favorite Google apps, allowing them to watch YouTube on a virtual big screen, relive 3D memories through Google Photos, and explore new places with immersive Google Maps integration. The question remains, is this the beginning of a new era of computing? Some may see AI-powered glasses as a revolutionary step forward, while others may view them as a step toward a hyper-connected and potentially intrusive digital future. But one thing is certain, Google is betting big on XR. And if their track record is anything to go by, we might soon be entering a world where screens are no longer the primary interface. The potential for AI glasses is limitless, from entertainment to productivity, education, and accessibility. As the technology matures, it will be exciting to see how users adopt and integrate these glasses into their daily lives. The era of AI-powered augmented reality is on the horizon, and Google is leading the charge. What do you think about Google's AI glasses? Would you use them in your daily life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're excited about the future of AI and wearable tech, make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.